Hi, I'm Megan and welcome to the Falkon SMS tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through a few key things to help you get started with Falkon SMS. We'll start with how to send your first text message, and then I'll show you some helpful features including our tags, templates, scheduled messages, campaigns, shared inbox, secure file transfer, and our integrations. Let's dive in. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your activity and performance within Falkon SMS. From here, you see overall usage for the phone number at a glance. It's your central hub for staying proactive and viewing key metrics like message volume or credit consumption. Whether you're managing one phone line or several, the dashboard helps you stay on top of everything happening on each phone number. The Conversations tab is the heart of Falkon SMS. Use the search bar or filters to quickly find conversations and manage contacts right from the inbox view. Next, I'll walk you through what you can do with our toolbar. Falkon SMS fully supports emojis, so your messages can be more engaging and personalized. Emojis are a great way to add tone and personality to your texts, and they're perfect for making messages feel friendly, fun, or expressive. With MMS, you can go beyond plain text by sending GIFs, PDFs, or other media files directly through the platform. This is especially helpful for sharing flyers, appointment confirmation cards, product photos, or documents. Simply use our paperclip to upload your files, and Falkon SMS takes care of the rest. You can also personalize messages using the custom tags feature, such as first name or email, to automatically insert contact-specific information. These tags work seamlessly in templates, campaigns, and individual texts, helping you create messages that feel one-on-one even when you're messaging. The templates are here to support you for the information you share regularly. You can access them easily here from the chat box, or you can visit the Templates tab. This is where you'll manage your templates. There are 3 levels of organization: private level, templates only visible to the individual user who created them; phone line level, templates shared across all users on a specific phone number. If you have multiple users on one phone line, everyone will have access to these templates. Finally, organization level. Templates shared across your entire organization. If you have multiple phone numbers and users, everyone will be able to access these. You can edit your templates, make changes as needed, or duplicate them. To create a new template, just click the button in the top right corner, give it a title, select the appropriate level of sharing, and write your personalized message. The signature feature in Falkon SMS allows you to add a personalized sign-off to the end of your messages, ensuring consistency and professionalism in every communication. Whether it's your name, company title, or a custom message, you can set a default signature to automatically appear on all outgoing texts. You can customize your signature in the settings. It will be automatically appended to your messages, keeping your communication efficient and consistent. Now let's take a look at Falkon AI, your built-in smart assistant for messaging. With AI, you can improve your text before sending them out, and whether you want to make a message more professional or casual, you can change it here. You can also make your message more concise or longer. Either way, AI gives you a shortcut. It also includes translation tools, allowing you to convert any message into Spanish or French with just one click. Perfect for reaching a wider audience. Beyond message editing, Falkon AI can be trained to support your unique business. You can upload documents like frequently asked questions or even connect your website so the AI learns your content and provides suggested responses tailored to your customers. This helps your team reply faster and with more accuracy. Falkon AI is all about saving time, reducing effort, and ensuring every message you send reflects the right tone, language, and professionalism for your business. The Secure File feature allows you to upload files of any size and send them over text in a secure way. The system encrypts your file, and you can set viewing options like read-only or download. You can set an expiration date and restrict access to specific recipients. The best part is that you will be able to choose between email or facial biometrics to identify the authorized recipients. After setting your preferences, hit upload and share. Your recipient will get a link and they will verify their identity before accessing the file. Under the dedicated tab, you will see a full overview of secure files. You can check the status of your documents, see who has access, manage permissions, and from here you can also view your face vault, where you'll see who's registered to receive facial recognition secured documents. If you need to add someone, just click Invite at the top right-hand corner. The Secure Message Portal enables end-to-end encrypted messaging, ensuring that your sensitive information is kept completely private. This feature allows you to securely send and receive messages, protecting your data from unauthorized access. With end-to-end encryption, only the sender and the intended recipient can read the message content. This makes it ideal for transmitting confidential documents, personal data, or other sensitive communications, meeting the highest security standards for industries like healthcare, legal, and finance. Messages sent through the Secure Message Portal are fully encrypted and HIPAA compliant from start to finish, ensuring peace of mind when communicating about private information. Scheduled messages allow you to plan your communication in advance. Whether you're setting up reminders, appointment confirmations, or marketing messages, you can compose your text and choose the exact date and time you want it to be sent. This feature is especially helpful for maintaining consistent outreach without having to manually send messages in real time. To schedule a message, simply create your text as usual, then select the clock icon to pick your preferred delivery time. Once scheduled, you can review, edit, or cancel any upcoming messages from the Scheduled tab. From here, you can also use the shortcut to schedule a message and easily choose from any contact or group as the recipient. When you are getting settled or growing your contact book, uploading contacts is easy. You can add a new contact individually or upload them in bulk using a CSV file. Each contact profile can include details such as name, phone number, and email. During upload, you can add them straight into a group or keep them standalone. Campaigns are a powerful way to send a single message to multiple contacts at once. Perfect for announcements, promotions, or updates, campaigns help you scale your communication without sacrificing personalization. First, you will create a group from your contacts. Then you will have multiple actions to choose from in the menu, including group broadcast. Once you've reviewed your content and audience, just click send or schedule it for later. Campaign performance data, such as delivery status and replies, will be visible in your Conversations tab or reports so you can track deliverability in real time. Falkon SMS lets you streamline communication using automation rules, which include automatic replies and keyword-triggered responses. These tools help you stay on top of your responses, even when you're away, by triggering present messages based on specific conditions. With automatic replies, you can set up messages that go out instantly when someone texts you. For example, after-hours responses or confirmation messages. Keyword replies let you define specific keywords like join or info that, when texted by a customer, trigger a custom response. This is perfect for welcome messages, frequently asked questions, promotions, and any of your specific business needs. Automation rules save time, improve customer experience, and help ensure no message goes unanswered. Another powerful feature is transfer chat. This allows you to move a conversation from one team member's phone number to another, making sure every customer gets connected to the right person quickly. Here's how it works. If you receive a message that's better suited for someone else in your organization, like another department or a colleague, you can transfer that chat directly to them. The new message your customer receives will come from an informed source, so it feels like a smooth handoff without any disruption. You also have the option to add an internal note when transferring. This note is visible only to your colleague, giving them important context or instructions before they take over the conversation. Transfer chat helps your team stay organized and ensures customers will always reach the right person to resolve their issue. It's collaboration made simple. The shared inbox makes team collaboration efficient. Instead of siloed communication, everyone on a shared phone number can see oncoming messages, respond as needed, and stay up to date with customer conversations in one central location. Each message thread is visible to all users on the phone line, and the receiver will only see the unified communication from a single phone number. Internally, you can view the name of the respondent for audit or training purposes. This ensures seamless customer support and avoids duplicate responses. The Reports feature in Falkon SMS gives you complete visibility into your communication history. You can easily search and retrieve the full, unedited message history for any phone number. Whether you're tracking conversations for compliance, internal reviews, or customer support, this tool ensures you have the complete and accurate records. In the settings, you can use an admin email to receive the full conversation thread automatically compiled and sent directly on a weekly or monthly basis, making it easy to archive, share, or review as needed with the admin team. It's a quick and secure way to access message logs and maintain transparency across your organization. If you aren't using our standalone web app or phone app, this is where you'll manage your integrations. Whether you're connecting Microsoft Teams, Slack, Clio, Outlook, or HubSpot, you can set them up and manage them from here. That's an overview of what you need to know to get started with Falkon SMS. If you're curious about other features we didn't cover today, feel free to explore the website or reach out to us and book a demo. We are always happy to help. Thank you for watching the Falkon SMS tutorial. See you next time.